Everyone, in today's session, I will tell you how you can create your own AI avatar. If you haven't noticed yet, all the videos you were watching before, every single one of them was made with AI. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create super realistic videos with AI. Literally, people are making $2,000 to $5,000 by selling these AI clones. Many of you probably know that I recently went to the US to attend the world's biggest AI and startup conference. Over there, I was meeting different CEOs and founders. So while I was there, I couldn't really create content from behind the scenes. Now, if you go check my channel, go check my Instagram, all the content that was getting posted was being posted through my AI avatar. And most people had absolutely no idea. In the same way, all the top big companies, all the founders want their personal brand to grow. So you can easily sell this service to them. So let's deep dive into the process. First of all, you need to go to Chrome. On Chrome, search for HeyGen. You'll see the first link right away. Click on that first link. You'll be able to see the full interface right there. After that, I clicked on sign in. You can sign in with Google or with email. If you don't have an account already, sign in with Google and properly set up your account. So now I've signed up and the home interface has started appearing in front of me. Now this has multiple features, as you can see. First, you can generate scene by scene videos. This is not only used for avatar generation, and it has other features too. You can generate an avatar through just a single image. You can also generate an avatar from your video. You can translate any video into any language. You can generate pretty much any kind of video. So first of all, you need to come to create your avatar and click on it. Now you can see two options here, clone a real person or create a virtual character. So we'll click on clone a real person. Now it's asking for camera access and all that. So in this case, you can click allow and record yourself right where you're sitting and upload that, but that's not really recommended. The quality isn't that good. It's better to record a good quality video with your camera. I'll also tell you what things you need to keep in mind while recording the video. Then you'll upload that video here. So for now, I've dismissed the camera. So here it's also telling me I can record via phone as well. Now you'll see a button at the top, upload footage. Click on upload footage and you'll need just a 2-minute recording of yourself that you recorded. After clicking upload footage, it also shows you tips down below about how to speak. They say at least 15 seconds, but I've already uploaded my video and created my avatar. You just upload it and your avatar will automatically be created. Now I've come to the avatars option. Here you can see multiple avatars have been generated for me. I've given videos of myself in multiple outfits. Some I've generated separately. Multiple avatars are available. This one is in a blue shirt. You can say I've generated separate backgrounds for myself, because you can also change the background in this. With one click, the background changes. I'll show you that right now too. So here, if you want to add a new look, you click on new look. If you want to design it through AI, it'll come through AI as well. If you've downloaded a new video yourself, you can add that on too. Look, on the creator plan, you can train one person, meaning me. I can train myself, but I can add multiple looks of myself. Maybe in one I'm standing, in one I'm sitting, one has a white shirt, one has a red shirt. So I can generate 100 plus looks of myself. Down here, the looks are also given. So I can take reference from these. I clicked on remix. So now it'll take my photo along with that reference and generate an avatar that looks like that. Then we can use it in our videos. Here you need to make sure you turn on the personal model. When you turn on the personal model, it will ask for some of your pictures. So you need to get 20 to 25 pictures of yourself or from your client and give them. Now you can see the generation is happening. 51%, 53% done. Now you can see the avatar generation has been completed. This image I'm clicking on, some have flaws, some don't. It has generated this avatar with multiple background references. Now the face came out a little different, but when I generate it, it will fix it accordingly. Okay, I can now customize my looks here. I can choose different backgrounds for image generation, or I can retrain it as well. The retrain option is also there at the bottom, because look, all these pictures I gave it to train so it could generate my photo properly. So you can add your photos in here, as I mentioned before. Now I've clicked on projects. Here, all the videos you generate will come to this project section. The videos I've generated before are showing up here. Most of the videos that are going up on Instagram these days, they're all generated right here and sitting right here. You can see. So now you can either go to avatars and click on the avatar you want to select. Here I'm working with my avatar that's already been created. So I'm going to it and clicking edit as new. The video I had generated before, I clicked edit as new. It took some loading time and brought me to this interface. In this, my avatar that's selected is the one I named aggressive. Aggressive is just a name I gave it myself. So here my avatar is selected, and on the left side you can see there's a script. In the script you can also upload audio. If you want to add audio, it'll sync the audio too. You type your script and it'll appear right here. Now I clicked on audio here. You can upload an audio file or record in real time. Click the record button and you can do a recording. If you want to type a script, you can type the script here. Now with script typing, there's also a bit of a formula. How much pause to keep, how many seconds of pause. There are some words that AI doesn't say correctly. Then you have to figure out what spelling to write for that word so it generates properly. Click on your script here, then click the watch button and it'll run your script once. Now I have ElevenLabs connected behind this. Even if you don't connect ElevenLabs, HeyGen has its own voice, which you can say is quite good. You can use that and you don't have to do anything extra for it. If you want to connect ElevenLabs, I'll show you right now how to connect that too. On the right side, you can see the motion engine option. You can change it. This is Avatar 5, which is their top running one, meaning it adds the most motion to videos. You can remove the avatar's background. Okay, there's a remove button. You can change the radius. You can zoom the video. Okay, and these are the voices. You can also change voices here. You can improve voices. You can increase the voice speed by clicking on speed. Okay, here look, ElevenLabs model engine. Which voice model to use? So I have the ElevenLabs model selected. Here you can volume up and down. Click on switch and you'll see the multiple voices available to you. I've imported ElevenLabs voices, so I'm only seeing the ElevenLabs ones. But if I click on the right side, the others will appear too. You can see that here I can change similarity. Similarity, how similar should it be to the voice I trained it on? I can change stability. I can change style, whether the style is aggressive or gentle. Speaking softly, if you change any setting and play the video again, you'll know from the voice. First, you have to finalize the voice, whether the voice is matching my tone with my script. When you figure that out, how to figure it out, you keep playing it over and over. When you feel okay about the voice, you go to generation. Now I lowered the speed and ran it again. So now you'll see it'll run slow. You can generate unlimited videos with your AI avatar. Change outfits. Now I clicked on switch voice. You can see there are 3 options at the top. Clone your voice. You can clone again in real time. So click on clone your voice and record your voice and it'll clone your voice. Design a voice. You can design someone else's voice, meaning you can design a voice through AI. You give a command to AI. Young man or young female, 24 years old, energetic from the US. So that kind of voice you can generate through AI. Third is import from third party. Or when you click on this button, from there an option will come to connect ElevenLabs or multiple third party voice tools. I clicked on import. You can see my API key is visible here. So I've added my API key here. I go inside ElevenLabs and click on settings. In settings, the API option comes up. From there, you copy the API key and add it here. Not even a minute of work. Now you can change the avatars. So I clicked on avatar. The avatar style, down below, you can see the multiple styles of my avatars coming up here. For example, if I want to change whether he's sitting in a room or standing somewhere else, I'll select from here according to my preference. The avatar's tone also gets selected here. And the avatar's pictures, you can also select different avatar styles from here. Now these are the avatar models. As I told you, avatar 5, 4 and 3. 5 is the best, but 5 also takes more credits. The 3 version was free until now, not adding it right now, but 5 charges credits. Normally it takes between 3 to 10 credits. Now let me show you by exporting one final video. I've added a script here. Now I'll tweak the script a little. So now on the right side at the bottom, you'll see a button for render scene. Here you can preview what your video will look like, meaning before exporting. But this will eat up 5 credits. Normally I don't use this. Why waste 3 credits? So I just export it and check at the end. If it doesn't look good, export again. That's the scene. Now I'm doing a speech preview. You can generate unlimited videos with your AI avatar, change outfits, change backgrounds, even translate your videos into different languages. All right, so first step that we need to create your AI avatar. Okay, it generated that many videos and it's quite good audio. I clicked on the button at the top and added a pause here. A 0.5 second pause has been added. So here I'm reducing it. I reduced it down to 1 second. Normally a 0.5 second pause is a good pause, a normal pause. If you want a longer pause, you can add a 1 second one. Now I clicked on generate at the top. Here I'm giving it a title. After giving the title, you can select here whatever resolution you want. I selected 1080p, selected the format, clicked here. And now this will take around 2 to 4 minutes and it'll generate the video and bring it in front of you. Here you can go to projects and check. One of my team members had generated a video for a product before. The process they followed was pretty simple. Now with this, you can also generate product image videos, meaning you can generate really good UGC content. They simply went to Midjourney, generated an image and gave their product saying, put this in its hand. You can actually do that inside HeyGen too. After giving that, they came here, uploaded the photo and gave it a script along with it saying generate this into a video. And look how good a video it generated. Hey guys, today I am using this hair oil because it has rosemary and almond oil in it. So in this way, you can also sell UGC services and even use it for your own products. And this video, I'm refreshing now and you can see that this video has been generated and we play it. You can generate unlimited videos with your AI avatar, change outfits, change backgrounds, even translate your videos into different languages. Wow, you can see how realistic this is. Now here there are a few flaws. AI does have flaws. AI won't stay this behind for long. Within a year, it'll get to that level. But right now, there are a few flaws. Those flaws we have to cover up in editing. Now, let me tell you one more fun feature. This is the translation feature. Here, when you click this, you can translate your video into any language, meaning you upload it. If you made it in English, convert it to Urdu, convert it to Hindi. If you made it in Hindi, you can convert it to English. Here, I'm going and uploading one of my videos. This is the video I had. Uploaded it and the languages have appeared. 175 plus languages you can select from here. I selected French and you can also trim all the videos, however much you want to generate. Click on export and your video will come back dubbed. But the dubbing isn't extraordinary, but it's good enough that it works. So now let's talk about the pricing. First, you see the free plan where you can make 3 videos every month and videos can be up to 1 minute long. Then comes the creator plan, which is enough for a creator. If you're providing a service to someone, you can take this $29 plan. In this, you'll train one full human, make that kind of clone. So if you get connected with a big company and you need to generate 4K videos, then you can go for their pro plan. But normally the resolution on the creator plan is enough for you to use it. So this is kind of like an overview. You can scale content with this. You can provide services to people with this. There are some flaws which I've shown you, but we'll cover those up in editing. You've seen the AI demo and you've also seen that I'm currently using it myself and big creators have started using it too. So you also start focusing on your content. Generate through AI. Start offering this as a service. Start adopting AI. If you don't adopt it, it's going to get difficult for you. We have a 3-month AI program where everything from AI fundamentals to agents, automation, vibe coding is covered, all the way from content creation. If you want to see the curriculum in detail, the link is in the description. Good luck. Thank you so much.